What's up, KGG gang? This your boy Keyshawn back once again with another video. Quit playing. Tabby be making some honey garlic Parmesan chicken for y'all guys. So if I'm new to the channel, go ahead catch me at Keyshawn 3. We got some PayPal make Keyshawn got game 2005. Also, don't forget to check out all my other recent videos. Also, you know they just as good. Right before you get in the video, go ahead make sure you like this video. Comment down below and see me cook next. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're brand new. Get the post notification bell so I'm showing great videos I post next. So go ahead and share this video with everybody that you know. Let's get it. Alright, so y'all already know. First thing first, while you cooking, you always gotta wash your hands. So we got here for to wash our hands real quick. Get that good soap on them. I have one some warm water. Like that, like number one rule. Before you start cooking anything, wash your hands. You always want to clean hands. Now we're gonna dry them real quick also. Right before we get started cooking. Y'all wanna know. Hands all clean and dry. Now we all ready to start cooking. Let's go ahead and get it. Alright, so right folks, we're gonna use some lemon pepper seasoning, you know. I know y'all, some of y'all like lemon pepper. Then we're gonna go ahead and with some garlic powder. Y'all already know. Can't go out with no little garlic powder. Then we're gonna want some seasoned salt. Some loyal seasoned salt. Y'all already know. Go ahead and get it in. We're gonna want some accent seasoning also. So, you know. Give it a little accent. Give it a little kick. And then we're gonna want some complete seasoning. I got like the season, like with the whole season be complete. And then for the butter, we're gonna walk it a little safe and healthy with the smart balanced butter. You know, you gotta stay healthy while we cooking. Y'all wanna know. This all the seasoning. So for the hot wings, as I did mention before, we're gonna get half of butter. Yep, half of the container or half of the butter stick, whatever butter y'all got. Then we're gonna put it in a pot. A little small pot. You already know. Gonna get all that half of butter out. Yep. No butter back there. It's okay. We're not gonna buy that real quick. You already know. Alright, so how we gonna put it on? You know, low, or we put on like 1 or 2, just to heat up the butter, but not cook it. You know. And then we gotta come over here to the sink. Go ahead, whisk off the chicken. And then we got clean hands. Somebody will get some clean chicken too. So we go ahead, whisk it off thoroughly. Make sure it's all clean and good. We'll put it on the cook board so you know we cut it up later on. Go ahead, we gonna make sure we wash every chicken thoroughly. You know, take the time, make sure it's all clean and good. We're gonna wash it though. Put on the cutting board. Then we're gonna come over here and cut all the chicken. You know, you don't gotta cut it, but I like it cut. You got the legs, then the wing and the thigh. You know, we have more chicken instead of, you know, the whole wing. So it really just more chicken. So y'all can have a choice if y'all want to cut it or not. But I prefer mine cut. So you have those 3 chickens in one. Alright, now we finna go ahead and come over here to the sink after we get done cutting it. You know, it's a few more that we gotta cut. Yeah, we're gonna put it in a bowl of napkins, so you know we can dry it out. You don't wanna start cooking no wet chicken, don't you? We need to make sure the chicken all fresh and dry. So let's go ahead and throw out the chicken in the bowl with napkins, so we can dry it later on. Yep, got all that chicken. Go ahead and finish cutting it up also. I know y'all see, like, you know, y'all see, you eat 3 chickens in one. Now, for the butter, we gotta, you know, after the butter get done melting, we're gonna pour a little in the bowl. You don't need a lot. Just, you know, a little to cover up the chicken. Hit the butter right here. Then we're gonna add some seasoning in it. We got the accent seasoning that we used before. That we showed y'all. So put some accent in there. You know. You can't go wrong with a little seasoning. And we're gonna put some seasoned salt in that too. You know, you can never go wrong. You can never go wrong. Then we over here we put some lemon pepper. Some good old lemon pepper. I know most of y'all like lemon pepper wings. Y'all comment down below what y'all favorite wings. And then we go over here with some garlic powder. We're gonna add some paprika in that, you know, in the butter too. Give it a little kick, a little spice. This is garlic, you know, honey garlic parmesan. So you can't go wrong with the garlic. Can't go wrong with the garlic. It's garlic parmesan. So we're gonna add a little garlic bites in there. And we're gonna stir it up. Kind of looking like honey mustard. You know, like a little honey mustard, you know, type of vibe. So we're gonna go ahead and stir it up. Stir it up. And then after this, we're gonna add some cornstarch. We're gonna add some butter. And then we're gonna add some honey. So yeah. Don't forget the honey. Then we're gonna come back over here. Before we start cooking it, then we're gonna dry the chicken off. So I'm gonna make sure every chicken dried out. Then we're gonna pour it in a bowl with, you know, the ingredients that we just used. So dry off every chicken. Make sure it's all good and dry and clean. And we're gonna put it right in there with the, you know, the butter, paprika, all that good type of seasoning. So after you get that dry off everywhere, then you go ahead and place it in the bowl. Make sure you dry thoroughly. We don't want no wet chicken, don't we? Then we're gonna come over here for the hot wings. We're gonna put we using some Crystal, some Louisiana Crystal hot sauce. You're gonna pour it in the, you know, the pot with the butter. Then we, you know, recently put on low. We all paying attention. Yeah, probably caught that. So we're gonna pour a little half of the bottle of hot sauce in the butter. You know. And now we're gonna come up here and stir it up. Go ahead and give it a good little stir. So yeah. You know, look at it good. Look good. The butter give it a little flavor, You know. Now we're gonna come over here with the chicken. Also, don't forget to preheat your air fryer to 416 minutes. That's where you wanna cook the chicken at. Yeah. Now we're over here. We're gonna flip the chicken. You know. So yeah, you just wanna cook the chicken once again 400, and then you gonna put it on 16 minutes, and then when it hit halfway at 8 minutes, you wanna flip it. That's what we're doing right there. So we flipping the chicken real quick so we get both sides crispy. And then, you know, this is the aftermath with the chicken all done and cooked. This what it looking like, you know. And we're gonna come over here and take the chicken out, put it in a bowl. You know, so we're gonna, you know, add the finishing touches to it. So go ahead and get all the chicken and put it in the bowl. And then that sauce that we said we gonna use, the honey, we gonna put on there. Here go the hot wings right here. You know, here go the honey, garlic, parmesan, chicken. That's just a little chicken. And that be all for this video. If y'all want to donate to the channel, guys, catch me at Keyshawn 3. We got some paper made Keyshawn. I got game 2005. Also, don't forget to check out all my other recent videos too. You know, they just as great. But that be all for the video. If y'all enjoyed the video, guys, make sure you like this video. Comment down below and some cook next. Guys, subscribe to my channel if you're brand new. Click the post notification bell so you miss all the great videos I post next. So guys, share the video with everybody that you know. I'll catch y'all guys in the next one. Peace!